One of WA's most iconic characters has to be Tony Galati. And his spud shed stores are the go-to for so many of us because we know he sources his produce from across WA. What started out as an accidental meeting in his Inaloo store turned into an invite to his place for lunch. And it seems like I'm cooking. So we're going to do a potato gratin and we're going to do some beautiful grilled prawns with a lovely mango salsa.
Yes.
I'm going to get you to make the mango salsa today. I've got everything ready so you don't need to use the knife. And I'm going to cut the chili.
I'm not too bad with a knife, but as long as you keep the chili away from me, you're okay.
All right, so in the mango salsa today, Tony, I'm going to get you to mix together the mango, a little bit of ginger, all of that shallot, and a nice little healthy pinch of coriander there.
Do I start with the ginger?
That'll be good. Whilst you're doing that, I'm just going to lay some onion on the bottom of this gratin pan. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to layer these wonderful potatoes.
Yeah, you make sure you look after my potatoes.
Mate, I love potatoes. Spuds are one of the best things in the world. They are so versatile. What's your favourite potato dish?
Roast potatoes is my favourite. I like mashed potatoes.
Yep.
Put it this way, I like potatoes every way.
Every way. All of that shallot there. Nice healthy pinch of that coriander. I'm going to chop up this chilli. So a little bit of chilli in there.
Yep.
All right, there we go. Now all of that sherry vinegar and all of that grapeseed oil.
How'd you get them so thin, mate? Every time I tried with a knife, I couldn't get them that thin.
I'm a chef, mate, so I've got amazing skills of using a Japanese mandolin. But they're very dangerous.
Yes, I remember the last time I used one of those. It looked like a crime scene.
Now that is looking very
How's
good.
that?
All right, we're going to add to that a healthy squeeze of lime juice. Now, in my gratin dish here, I have my potatoes and my onions.
Yes.
All right, I've got a little bit of butter on the top because everything's with butter, especially potatoes. Right. I'm going to add some cream. Now, what does your Christmas table spread look like, Tony?
A lot of seafood, obviously lots of fruit, lots of cherries. Cherries
are amazing.
Big on our Christmas table.
How do you feel about a Christmas ham?
Well, ham's one of the main things on our table. Last year we got these McLaughlin hams.
Yep.
And I tell you what, it was amazing to cut the ham up on Christmas Day. And not only that, supporting your local producer.
And that's what Spud Shed's about. We've got our salsa made. My gratin is made. I am going to cover this with some alfoil. And I'm going to pop this in the oven for about an hour.
Geez, I need to hang around with you a bit more, eh?
So now we need to cook off our entree, which is going to be our prawns.
Yes.
All right. Now I've got a pan heating up over there. How do you feel about cooking up some prawns?
Not a problem.
Pop these prawns on the platter, layer them down, pop all that butter in there. We're going to use the same pan because I want all that flavour from the prawns.
That's a good idea.
Nice, finely grated garlic. Tap that in there. All right, I'm going to quickly throw that back on the heat for 30 seconds. We're just going to pour this butter all over those prawns. And I tell you what,
They look absolutely
they are going to
amazing.
be stunning. Now, you can do the honours with this one, mate. Would you mind putting a little bit of that salsa on those prawns? Prawns and mangoes go really well together.
They sure do.
Okay, all right, so that's that. And now we need to do the big reveal of our potato gratin. Because dinner's not dinner without spuds.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh my
Now that-
God.
You ever seen a better looking spud, mate?
Mate, you can cook for me anytime.
Now I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of fresh thyme while it's still hot. All right, well, Tony, mate, Merry Christmas. This is for your family, mate. What do you reckon?
Mate, that'll keep me going. How about the rest of my family? I need at least another 100 serves of them.
Well, I better get cooking then.
Absolutely. I'll tell you what, here's your apron, mate. You better start cranking it up.
Nice little spud shed apron. I love it. I'll make a deal with you, mate. I'll do that, but I'm taking the panettone.
Panettone?
The panettone?
I'll give you the prawns.
Prawns, okay. I'll take the
Panettone,
prawns.
stay here.
I'll take the prawns.